Traditional gaiety and enthusiasm mark Mera Hau Chongba celebration in Imphal. Chief Minister Biren reiterates no force can threaten integrity of Manipur when all communities remain united. Minister Biswajit stresses need for efficient implementation of the Right to Information Act. And Imphal West Police arrested 10 persons involved in mob justice after a video of the incident went viral. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham, bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Mera Hau Chongba was celebrated with traditional gaiety and enthusiasm in capital Imphal today. People of various communities joined the festival. As part of the festival, a procession was taken out from the palace compound till the Kangla, carrying the message of unity between the people of the hills and valley. People of different ethnic communities participated in the procession led by titular King Leshemba Sanajauba. They prayed at Kangla Utra for peace and prosperity of the state. As a tradition, a Pena Yakai roll was held early this morning at the palace. Prayer was offered at Ibutho Nongda Lairel Pakhangba in Utra Shanglen after the procession reached the Kangla. Later, Leshemba Sanajauba hoisted Mera Thaumai. This was followed by the Yengkhong Tamba ritual. Speaking on the occasion, Leshemba Sanajauba said the festival jointly celebrated by different ethnic communities will bring love and understanding among all communities living in the state.
Manipur hek leiba Kanglupur khuding mangna saruk yaba adugumba yamna Manipur ga pun basaktam sagatpa aduga nungsinabagi lipun semgatpa adugumba thorong amani haibase khangbi badagi handaksi Manipur government ga pullaga thorom si ekoi pangthok jabani masi pangi ba thorom asna maram moraga ekoi gi lamnam sta leiminari ba ekoi tongan ba Kanglup sing tongan ba Furup sing aduga lining laison loinamak ekoi ngasidagi nungsi chanana Amatoy bigi wakalong do sagat minadana lamdam sigi apun basaktam ngak minadana koi punna nungayai pana koi hingminarsi have.
Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren today reiterated that no force can threaten the integrity of Manipur when all communities remain united. Speaking at the first state-level celebration of Mera Hau Chongba at the historic Kangla, the Chief Minister announced that for a united Manipur, the state government will celebrate Mera Hau Chongba every year. He maintains that the majority community, which is striving for the unity of Manipur, needs to make sacrifices to achieve the goal. Biren also told the gathering that the eastern gate of Kangla will be opened after consultations with the experts at the earliest. He also expressed the desire to make certain changes to the statue of the Kangla Shah and appealed for experts' opinions. The Chief Minister also appreciated the efforts of the titular King Leshemba Sanajauba to keep the tradition of Mera Hau Chongba alive by celebrating it every year without fail. The state-level Mera Hau Chongba, organized by state-level Mera Hau Chongba committee, was witnessed by people from different districts of the state. Chiefs of various villages were also present at the celebration. People of the valley and hills exchanged gifts at the event. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren also presented gifts to PHED Minister Losi Dikho and Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen. The celebration was highlighted by traditional performances like songs and dances of different communities.
Wana sahi kuntra nipu yang kai puru galak podo ngasi di sarkar sina madugi importance su khanga kanda ikhoi na mase koi yaw na mateng pange akoi punna taure aduga sahi khudingi government na dum sponsor tor kanda mase leptana lehona badugumba program ama wehelani haibedu mai mayam da soina itlap sake langol gi singthak sida Imphal view gaina semdori ahing sida kakhalaga nungdang wairam sida kakhalaga mayam si yengjadana akoi base माई फैमिली का पुखतना कोइजनब यंगजब यानबगी इम्फाल व्यू सेमगदोरे करोड़ 3 काखलगा लेरे मसिगी लांगोल दगिना हाइंगांगी बदौ मार्जिन की सिंग रोपवेज मथक्ता रोपवेज सननबा सेमगदोरी उखरुल की सिरोय दगिना टांगखुलोंग ग्राउंड सतपुदु मधु रोपवेज लोकताक खर पंजबनी.
In his address at the celebration, the Chief Minister not only laid out the developmental works carried out by his government, but announced a number of upcoming projects. He said a leisure spot named Imphal View will be built soon in the Langol Hills. 15 crore rupees have been earmarked for the project. He said there are plans to set up a ropeway from Langol Hills to Haingang Hill, and there are also plans to restore Loktak Lake and many other hills of the state. The Chief Minister further said since the monsoon season has ended, Works Minister has been instructed to repair the roads, and employees of the Works Department who work 8 hours a day have been instructed to work 14 hours. He has also given strict instructions to update the road restoration works on a daily basis on the WhatsApp group. The Chief Minister appeals to the people of both the hills and valley to cooperate in the road restoration work and not to create hindrance.
Go to the hills is the slogan made by the Chief Minister of Manipur, which gives a new hope, a new dreams to the people of the hills. And also by using this slogan, the state government tries to bring unity in the state. Following the idea for the first time in the history of Manipur, state government organized Mera Hausongbo Festival, a traditional festival which endeavors to build up love, brotherhood and unity among the indigenous people of Manipur. If the government keep focusing on organizing such kind of function in the future, then Manipur will be one of the most peaceful coexistent state in the country. With camera person Biswajit Namayarakpam, this is Ketumayung Premsan for Impact News.
United Development Committee Kairao Kendra also celebrated Mera Hau Chongba today. People from different villages from both the hills and the valley took part in the celebration held at Khanarok Khul, Imphal East. Speaking on the occasion, Kairao MLA Lorembam Rameshwar said the celebration aimed at spreading love and unity among the people of the hills and valley. He said the territorial integrity of the state could be protected only when the people of the hills and valley live together in peace. Lining Tho Mangang Luang Kuman Thogalub organized a Mera Mai Tongba at Kanglam Main Surung today. Representatives of Lining Purel, Thangjing, Wangbrel, Marjing, Kaubru, Ngakpa and other panas took part in the event. Labour and Employment Government of India Minister of State Independent Charge Santosh Kumar Gangwar announced that the Employee State Insurance Scheme ESIC will be launched very soon in the state. The scheme will give certain benefits to the employees working in both the public and private sectors. Speaking at the Conference of Labour and Employment Ministers, Principal Secretaries, Secretaries, Commissioners of North-Eastern States, Santosh Kumar Gangwar said the state government should appoint the chairman of the State Welfare Board and the government should give focus on health and security of the society. Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren, Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radhesham, Assam Labour Minister Independent Charge Palab Lokchan Das, Nagaland Parliamentary Secretary Labour Dr. Neprizo Keditsu, Secretary, Additional Secretary of Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India and officials from different states attended the conference. Employees State Insurance Corporation presented slideshows on child labour, plantation workers, ESIC and social security schemes and explained on how these schemes functioned.
आप सभी जानते हैं कि कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट पर जो लोग काम करते हैं उनमें एक बहुत बड़ी संख्या माइग्रेशन लेबर्स की होती है। इसी समाज में सबसे बड़े इस वल्नरेबल सेक्टर की चिंता हम लोगों को है, इसलिए मेरा मानना है कि इस सेस फंड जो बना हुआ है इसका उपयोग सोच समझकर हमको करना चाहिए। हमारा मानना है कि परमानेंट स्ट्रक्चर जैसे हॉस्टल, तकनीकी सेंटर, स्कूल आदि पर पैसा न खर्च करके इस वर्ग की सामाजिक सुरक्षा पर अधिक ध्यान दिया जाना चाहिए। साथ ही वो चाइल्ड लेबर के प्रति हम लोग बहुत गंभीर हैं। वास्तव में अगर ये कोई समस्या है तो बहुत ही गंभीर है और देश के अंदर इस बीमारी को ख़त्म करना होना चाहिए और हम इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं और हम इसको एक सही रूप में आगे ले जाने का काम कर रहे हैं।
Speaking at the conference, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren maintains that the insurgency occurred in the state due to alienation by the centre for a long time. He asserted that since the Prime Minister Modi-led government came to power, additional attention has been paid to the northeast. He said northeast has seen a lot of positive changes. The Chief Minister said if the people of the state associate themselves with other people from different states, Manipur will develop further.
Our peoples goes to Delhi, when our peoples goes to UP, when our peoples goes to Bangalore, somebody is mocking, we like this, no? This kind of alienations, feelings created in the Northeast peoples. So that's why the reason behind why insurgency come out. The state government of Manipur has taken up various measures for creating employment generation in both domestic and the global labor market through job-oriented skill development, training programs in health, IT, agriculture sector, sericulture. State-level skill development mission is in place to formulate prospective plans and a detailed action plan for skill development.
Manipur Administrative Reforms and Training Minister T.H. Biswajit has asserted that efficient implementation of the RTI Act is the need of the hour. He said the Right to Information Act needs to be fully implemented to protect the rights of the people. Biswajit was speaking at the inauguration of the Right to Information Week celebration organized by Manipur Information Commission at Manipur Press Club today. Biswajit appeals to the officials of government departments and the people not to misuse the act. He said every citizen has the right to know the various development programs and policies of each and every government department. The minister said he will urge the Chief Minister to assign an Information Commissioner besides the Chief Information Commissioner and the Information Commissioner at Manipur Information Commission to make the commission more powerful. He said officials of any department must give an honest response to the queries of the people on the works taken by the departments according to the Act. Biswajit appeals for cooperation between the government and the people for successful implementation of the Act.
And the Pradamyam to open a secret X Puturino, as of X the Piriba, to be the Piriba Carino have a say. I can see a very awareness program to every skin could be every Holy for Kudumaki, Tanaka, and 20 Hajaba, a quick Ladipa, public singing, a information people to eat, you get the one to eat, on the communication to one free as well. The citizen every skin not every told pretty much aware of the
Agriculture Minister V. Hankhalian maintains that the government still faces challenges in implementation of the Act, although it came into place 10 years ago. He said the citizens and journalists have to play an important role in effective implementation of the RTI. The minister also said the people should be made aware of the Act.
Information implement the woman na awa mazang king na gani kuzik power Manipur state sarkar sina information sige RJ commission se mapu pana kapong ngamdra na kale kuzik se chief information commissioner amakakle staff mapu pana kaptre tahi kran employee matuna kuzik ikoi na mapu pana hamna ba sarkar na desu ikoi taksin gani.
Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, who represents Thongju constituency today, distributed free LPG connections under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana scheme to 64 women beneficiaries of the constituency. The free cooking gas connection sets under the scheme were distributed as part of the first phase of Socio-Economic Caste Census SECC 2011 to women beneficiaries holding BPL cards without gas connections in the constituency. MS Bashikong Indian RGG LV organized the distribution at Bashikong Okram Chutek. Minister Biswajit said the NDA government at the center has launched 106 schemes so far for the welfare of the people. He lamented that the schemes are not reaching the genuine beneficiaries. He appeals to all concerned not to deprive the rights of the poor people. He asserted that politicians alone cannot bring development and urged the people to take their responsibilities. Imphal West police arrested 10 persons involved in a mob justice which became viral on social network. Cybercrime units and Kakching District Police conducted intense search operation after the Chief Minister announced on the 3rd of this month that all those involved in the mob justice which took place at Sugnu Awanglekai on the night of 2nd October will be arrested and punished. Speaking to media persons, Imphal West SP Temting Ngshangwa said the public should not take the law into their hands. Even though one commits a serious crime, legal action will be taken against those involved in the mob justice. He said the police were able to arrest the 10 persons after tracing the Facebook account of S. Kumar Institute of Film Industry, who uploaded the video clip on Facebook. It may be mentioned that the video clip of the locals cutting the hair of a man and a woman and physically assaulting them became viral after it was uploaded on Facebook.
Mob justice ki muongda thomjilaga shamkak pira namphuna toraga shamka aga tobne ba yengbudi yam nungai da ba kari gi ground no kramaina tobno haibudi ekhoi upload dobu su phajana ti yaute but that sin how kramaina ma khoina action lokhat puno mob no action lokhat puno haibise it's very shocking. Facebook si loin ngang shu yengi ahan shu yengi ekhoi gi male female leite sida so shi gi matang da ekhoi in investigate tora finally main lead role shide ekhoi gi cyber crime PS recently SPC CID da to baduna lead loraga ekhoi na mateng pangaga Kakching police na shu mateng phana pangaga mi si identify to web ekhoi mi tara di phare 4 are male and 6 are female.
Convener of JCLPS Students Wing Manjit Sarangthem said the Kolkata Manipur Bhavan at 26 Roland Road is not in a condition for the Manipuris to stay. Speaking to media persons, he said indigenous people visiting Kolkata might not be able to stay in the Bhavan, which is under the GAD. He said out of the total 35 staff, only 2 are Manipuris. He said 6 persons have been recruited through DPC sometime back, while a notice has been issued today for recruitment of 20 vacant posts of the Bhavan. But the state government is trying to conduct the interview in Kolkata. Manjit warned of intense agitation if the interview is not conducted in Manipur.
Kolkata Manipur Bhavan asina su interview pangthok matamda koigi Manipur da pangthok kanda Manipuri singi maraktagi haire Kolkata Manipur Bhavan da thabak tawnabagi ase khangadabani maramdi hauji post kunthra ga manga lairi basida kunthra ga humdoi nan Manipuri oiraga lairi aduga ani koigi Manipuri macha ori basisu chahi ama ani gi manungda koi retirement tograni hai tare adubu tang nipan da pangthok ko doribe interview se ngasi lenga ga sena khut thingjin birakan na masi yaichokan biu aduga loina na Manipur da haire interview se pangthok na wa khudakta order chokpi wa form se jesel festival wing digi thamjari kari go hari wa form ase Manipur lengang na tabi da tholagadi secretariat cha tu tuan ba Manipur lenga ki mathak cha jesel western wing na chapcha wa fire ma lor kan da lebak miam ga loina na mahiri khunang loina khongjang chaksil kani ha basing si press media ge chong da thamjari.
An awareness campaign to raise public awareness about intensified Mission Indradhanush was held at Moray today. Block Program Management Unit, Primary Health Center Moray and Moray Government Higher Secondary School, in collaboration with the Moray Police, organized the campaign for the first time in Manipur. As part of the campaign, students of Moray Government Higher Secondary School took out a rally this morning. Speaking at the awareness program, MO in charge of Moray PHC, Dr. Shanti Kumar appeals to parents to not deny immunization rights of the children. Mission Indradhanush will be held at primary health centers and hospitals from October 7 to 14. Dr. Shanti Kumar appeals to all parents to get their children immunized. As celebrated all across the World Teachers' Day was celebrated at Manipur University today. Teachers and students of the university attended the event organized by Manipur University Students' Union, MUSU, at the Centenary Hall of the university. Chief Engineer of National Highways PWD Nongmaitem Noren has been invited by the Ministry of Textiles at the workshop on the usage of geotechnical textiles to be held at Ahmedabad Textiles Industries and Research Association Auditorium in Ahmedabad on October 6. Addressing media persons, Noren said the Ministry of Textiles launched a mini mission called Scheme for Promoting Geotechnical Textiles in Northeast region with a financial outlay of 500 crore rupees as part of the 2010-15 5-year plan. He said the scheme for the first time was implemented at Tidim Road. Noren said the scheme will also be implemented at Bishenpur to Nungba Road and road from Tobul to Nacho, Panthong and Malom Makha Oil Depot.
Ministry ng asagi 500 crore kai ki bese masi lem na puthok ni haibita haijaba tare aikhogi state tagi satpa nate adna haiba jo textiles se aikhogi lakadoriba lambi maru oiba lambi sing national highways state highways almadi sia NLCPA gi puthok tira sariba lambi sing asida marang kaina sijina gadi aikhogi lambi da thoidokna chaw hena kanaba phangani haibase aihakna haijaningi.
The 62nd Wildlife Week was observed at Kaibulamjao National Park in Bishnupur district today. The observance was held under the theme Celebrating the Right of Wildlife, jointly organized by Sangai Protection Forum and Forest Department. As part of the observance, Thanga MLA T. Robindro flagged off a cycle rally with the message Save Wildlife from Kordak to Kaibulamjao. A motorcycle rally of Royal Riders flagged off by Forest Minister T.A. Shamkumar from Kangla also headed towards Kaibulamjao. Speaking at the event, MLA T. Robindro appeals to people around the wildlife sanctuary to help protect wildlife. He said everyone must consider saving and protecting wildlife their responsibility and that the department alone cannot look after the sanctuary. Nearly 5 live fingerlings were released into the Loktak Lake today in connection with the 28th Loktak Day. Loktak Day was celebrated today at Thanga in Bishnupur district. Thanga MLA Tongbram Robindro appeals to the people not to catch the fingerlings which are released to increase the fish population in the lake. Now it's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news updates. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Human Rights Initiative HRI has urged the government of Manipur to put pressure on the Uttar Pradesh government to hand over the Pravish Chanam case to the CBI. HRI in a press release said they are also concerned about the disappearance of Taurem Bitu under mysterious circumstances. Ilangbam Sulendro has termed the allegations against him by Women's Welfare Association Hyanglam Hiranmai that he sexually assaulted 2 students studying class 2 at Ilangbam Solochana Academy as false and baseless. Clarifying on the allegation, Sulendro appeals for resolving the issue according to the law of the land. It may be recalled that Women Welfare Association had alleged Sulendro, founder, member and administrator of Ilangbam Solochana Academy, Hyanglam, of sexual assault against 2 minor girls. Secretary of the association, Bijanti said the matter came to light when the 2 minors refused to attend parents' meet of the school on September 24. The elder sister reveals to her mother that Sulendro tried to touch her private part and she hesitated to attend school. When the parents tried to file a complaint against the teacher at Hyanglam police station on September 29, police refused to lodge the complaint and told them to come the next day. All Manipur Students Federation, Manipur State Council took out a silent rally from Iravat Bhavan to Kangla today to wipe out corruption from the state. The protesters displayed the placards denouncing corruption. People have taken the initiative to repair the road leading from Kakting Bazaar to Kham Manipur College, which has been in a deplorable condition for a long time. Members of Sena Athletes Organization Kakting Wairi, with the assistance of clubs at Kakting Wairi and people of the area, started the repair work. The organization appeals for people's support to repair the road. Manipur Public School Kwarengay donated 25,950 rupees to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund (CMRF) yesterday to help flood-affected people. The amount was handed over to Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren at Chief Minister's Secretariat in presence of Education Minister T.H. Radhesham and Principal Secretary Education Vinit Joshi. The Chief Minister thanked the school authority for their generosity. Councillor of Moirang Municipal Council Ward Number 2, Hemam Romabala, and 2 ward members have joined the BJP. A reception was held to welcome them to the party at the BJP office at Nite Park Chutek today. The 24th Guru Kirtana Seva 2017, organized by Gulapi Natta Samkirtana Academy, Kwakitil Nganapithong at Palace Compound, concluded today. Speaking at the closing event, National Awardee Sarachan Thiamsat, there are various issues prevailing in Manipur. He said anyone who respects teachers will not fail in life, and there will be peace in the society where teachers are respected. Mahaki Angahal Sereng Mana 2017 has been conferred to renowned Manipuri poet Thangdam Ibopishak for his poetry book Lamjel. The award was presented by former president of Manipur Sahitya Parishad, Professor Nomaitem Tombi, to Ibopishak at an event held at Dave Literature Center. A poetry reading session was also held at the event. Sanalei Park Nachom artists celebrated its 21st Foundation Day at Kauna Thabi, Kwaketel Kongjeng Laikai today. Top officials of the association and Manipur State Shumang Lila Council discussed on the prevailing situation of Shumang Lila at the event. Designer Robert Naurem's Meitei Mayeg embroidered inafi caught the attention of those present at the fashion event Project Bhutan Season 6 Global Edition. Models from different countries flaunted the unique design of Robert at the event. The fashion event was held on October 2 at Taj Hotel in Thimphu, Bhutan. Wheelchair, tricycle and hearing aids will be distributed at assessment camp cum distribution of aids and appliances organized by Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur and Alimco, Guwahati on October 14. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons in a press release asked the beneficiaries who attended the CSR REC camps at Imphal and Chandil to submit a disabled certificate, a family income certificate, Aadhaar card and a passport photo by October 11. Now news from the world of sports. FC Zalen Kangpokpi and Nisa Thangmaiban beat their rivals at the 12th Manipur State League Football Tournament. In the 38th match played today at Imphal Polo Ground, FC Zalen Kangpokpi beat Trau Kwaketil 2-1. For the winners, Paulen Lal Khongsai and Peter Semintang Haukip netted 1 goal each in the 30th and 39th minute of the match. While in the 39th league match, Nisa Thangmaiban beat YPHU Lalambung 1-0. Nisa Thangmaiban's El Gauro netted the winning goal in the 45+1 minute of the first half of the match. The tournament, organized by All Manipur Football Association under the sponsorship of Kumukcham Ingocha Singh Memorial Trust, kicked off on August 6. Neroka FC Sangakfam will meet Muvanlai Athletics Kangpokpi in the 40th match, while Klasa Kaino will meet DM Rao Awang Sekmai in the 41st match tomorrow. Imphal West Students Club Khumbong has wished luck to the 8 Manipuri players at the FIFA Under-17 World Cup. Konthaujam Kendra defeated Sagolban Kendra 11-7 in the 6th Mangsatabam Iboyaima and Punyabati Memorial League Cum Knockout Kendra Wise Kang tournaments today. Singjamai Kangkhut is organizing the tournament at Singjamai Kangshang at Singjamai Chingamathak. India's Pooja Kedian created history as she bagged India's first ever gold medal at Wushu World Championships in Kazan, Russia. Pooja won the medal by defeating Evgenia Stepanova in the finals yesterday. Among other Indian winners, Ramesh Chandra Morangthem won a bronze medal in the men's under 48 kg category. Another bronze medal from Bhanu Pratap Singh came in the men's under 60 kg category. Rajinder Singh also won a bronze in the men's 90 kg category. On his way to the medal, Singh had defeated Russia's Bozigit Atev 2-1 to progress to the semi-finals prior to getting thrashed 1-2 by Iran's Milad Arefi. The last medal, bronze for India, which came from Arun Pamakasham, who won in the 65 kg Sanda category in the women's section after thrashing Switzerland's Priscilla Stobli 2-0 in the last 8 clash. Currently, China leads the medal tally with 15 gold medals, with Iran in second place with 8 medals. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Traditional gaiety and enthusiasm mark Mera Hau Chongba celebration in Imphal. Chief Minister Biren reiterates no force can threaten the integrity of Manipur when all communities remain united. Minister Biswajit stresses need for efficient implementation of the Rights to Information Act. And Imphal West Police arrest 10 persons involved in mob justice after a video of the incident went viral.